Hello, and thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel. Humans are hardwired to care about other living beings. Animals arouse our sympathies and fascinate our minds. That's why going on safaris and visiting zoos are always packed. It would appear that we have a serious problem saying goodbye to our cherished pets. In today's video, I compiled a list of the top 10 most well-liked animals on the planet, complete with interesting trivia and insights behind their widespread appeal. Number 1. Dogs. Weather and climate changed little foxes into dogs. Their genetic adaptation improved hunting. Humans and dogs co-evolved. They improved life together. Each species behaved for coexistence. Dogs remain man's best buddy. Unlike the cat, your dog shows his loyalty by listening, following, obeying, protecting, and more. Cats will never love you like dogs do. This the reason the dog ranks number 1 in my list. Number 2. Cats. Cats are my second most popular animal. However, they are the most sought-after pets worldwide. Cat enthusiasts say cats have personalities but share qualities. Early events shape its behavior. Cats are alone yet like people. Cats may need outdoor access. They wander. Favorite animals are low maintenance. Training, walking and supervised exercise are not necessary. Despite popular belief, cats require care. They'll fit into the busy lifestyle, but they need you. Cats love variety. They can handle a busy household as well as a tiny one. Researcher talking to a doctor or breeder can teach you about cat personalities. Number 3. Chickens. Chickens number in the tens of billions globally. That makes them more numerous than any other living thing, including humans. Chickens were originally developed for the sport of cockfighting rather than for consumption. With such a violent pedigree, it's no surprise that male chickens are considered dangerous. Throughout history, the hen has represented motherhood and prosperity around the world. A rooster has always been seen as a symbol of masculinity. Number 4. Horses. Domesticated horses make up the overwhelming majority of the world's equine population. The wild horse's wild behavior is a result of the presence of domesticated relatives in the animal's genetic background. There is nothing tame about a Przewalski horse. Threatened only in Mongolia, this species is rapidly disappearing there. The horse, which can run and play within hours after being born, is a popular symbol of independence. The swift horse is the most emblematic of speed and agility among the animals we ride or utilize for work. I am amazed by its elegance and finesse. This monster is friendly and easy to talk to, yet powerful and benign. We can't help but incorporate these well-known creatures into our stories, rituals, and beliefs. Number 5. Fish. The importance of fish to the global economy and culture cannot be overstated. They permeate history and mythology. Neon tetras are my favorite and the most terrifying nightmare, sharks. And my attention is riveted on them at all times. Whether it's a shiny seahorse, a school of goldfish, or a school of tuna, we're all here. There are two things that are constants among fish of all kinds. For one, their home is the ocean. There are two reasons for this. After that point, things change dramatically. Eels have a slimy, worm-like appearance. Fish has gills and scales, like salmon. A lot of fish species don't lay eggs. Number 6. Bears. Bears are solitary. They only socialize when courting or young. 6 of 8 bear species are omnivorous. Pandas eat bamboo and polar bears consume meat. Bears are speedy. They could catch a horse, let alone a human. Due of limited vision and hearing, bears use smell. Bears eat ants, tree seeds, bees, nuts, berries, insect larvae, flowers, and even polar and giant pandas. It's surprising that popular huge creatures can survive on little foods. They like rodents, deer, fish, pigs, and seals. Grizzlies are famous fishers. Many bears like honey. Number 7. Birds. The bird is always included in surveys of the most well-known animals. Birds, like other flying vertebrates, have developed this ability to fly for their own survival. The penguin and the ostrich, the world's largest living bird, are two examples of non-flying bird species. The bee hummingbird, with about 2 inches in length, is the tiniest of the bunch. Many birds, especially parrots, amaze humans with their ability to mimic human speech. Parrots of the African grey kind are known to have distinct musical preferences. When they hear the song again, they'll start singing and dancing. Alex, a well-known African gray parrot, could reportedly understand and use a vocabulary of about 100 words and phrases. There's no denying that birds are one of the most well-liked animal groups on the planet. Visit a bird sanctuary if you want to observe these well-liked creatures in their natural habitat. Number 8. Sharks. Although they have a reputation for being terrifying, the reality is that these common pets rarely cause harm to humans. More people die every year because of horses and cows than any other single animal. Of the more than 500 species of sharks, more than 140 are considered critically endangered. The shark is an important part of marine food webs. They consume marine organisms that helps maintain a healthy ecosystem. There are sharks in the warm waters of the tropics, the ocean, and even under the ice in the Arctic. There are oddities like the hammerhead shark and the goblin, a shark with skin so brilliant pink that it can't be missed. Most sharks are as frigid as the ocean in which they swim, but the great white is an exception. For this reason, the great white may outrun its relatives in a race. Number 9. Lions. It's safe to say that for thousands of years, the lion ruled as king of the jungle. They were used as a status symbol by dictators and emperors. To this day, lions are only slightly smaller than tigers, making them the world's second largest cat. Lions, despite popular belief, are neither hostile or furious animals. Lions are highly sociable creatures that congregate in groups of up to 30. Males are the primary protectors of their area and cubs. They yell at strangers, mark territory with P, and chase away intruders. The females of the pride are the ones who do most of the hunting. They hunt cooperatively as a group, despite being smaller and more nimble than males. The female lions herd together in semicircles and advance on their prey. Number 10. Monkeys. Research shows that humans and monkeys are quite similar. To a greater extent than 95%, our DNA is same. Their head shakes mean no. Monkeys, unlike many other common mammals, can identify themselves in a mirror. They express themselves through gesturing and giggling. When under pressure, monkeys have been observed smoking cigarettes, drinking coffee, and eating. Because of their intelligence and similarity to humans, monkeys are frequently used in studies of human behavior. They have undergone extensive training that included trips into space and are ready to serve as service animals. There's a good reason why monkey exhibits are always among the most popular at zoos worldwide. Monkeys can be seen in abundance at the Smithsonian's National Zoo. That concludes my top 10 list of the most well-liked and widely seen animals on the planet. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and you'll be among the first to know whenever I post a new video. All of this is really appreciated.